Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to create stock chart in Excel. So here I show you high, low, close stock chart. Okay. So here you can see I have data. So to create a high, low, close stock chart, simply select the data. You just drag with the mouse and select here entire data. Then go to the Insert tab. In Charts group, click on the Stock Charts option. So here you can see select this, and here the third option is a stock chart. Just keep cursor on the first one. You can see the name high low close chart. Just click on it, and here you can see the high low close chart inserted with the chart design tab and format tab. If you want to increase the size, you just drag the corner point and you can increase the size of the charts. And here you see your chart size is increased. Okay. In this chart, you can see in vertical showing the amount, in horizontal showing the dates. And here you can see the legend entries high, low, and close. Close showing the one dash. Okay. So these are the line, and in this line between the have of one dash, this is the close point. Okay. When I keep cursor on the low point in this line, so you can see high low line one. And when I keep cursor on corner point, see the, I show you again, keep cursor on the corner last. Wait, I show you again. See, series low point 1st May 2025 value 145. So in 1st May, you can see in data 1st May 2025, low point is a 145. See, this is the low point 145 and high point is a 160. When I keep cursor in high point, see the series high point 1st May 2025 value is 160 and the close point 155. When I keep cursor on this dash, the middle dash, you can see the close point 1st May 2025 is 155. So this is a way you can see the stock chart is showing here high, low, close value. Okay. So if you want to change the chart style, you can change here also. I show you again to increase the size of the charts. I just use the control and scroll with the mouse. I show you, see these are the close point. Okay. This dash is a close point. Okay. And this is a high and last is a low point. Okay. This way you can create a stock chart for high, low, close values. Okay. And now I'm going to change the chart style. To change the chart style, simply click on the charts. Okay. And go to the chart design, and you can see different type of chart style is available. Just keep cursor on the every chart and see the preview here showing. You can see the preview. Now you can see in preview of the chart, the close point is showing the highlighted. Okay. Again, I show you. See the preview of every chart style. Okay. Select those you want. So I select this one, and here you can see your chart style is changed. You can change the layout also. Again, go to the chart design. In chart layout group, click on the quick layout option. And you can see different layout here available. Okay, just keep cursor on the layout and you can just select those you want. So I select this one. This layout is showing the in details the high, low, close value here in horizontal. Okay, so and if you want to change the chart title, just simply click on it. Okay. Just click on it and you can use the backspace delete key to delete the chart title. I just enter this name high low close stock chart. Okay. So chart is not properly chart. Okay. That's it. If you want to change the font style and if you want to color the font, so you can color this chart title. Okay. Simply right click on it and click on the font option. Okay. Here the font dialog box is open. You can change here the font style of the chart title. Just click on this drop down arrow and click on the style those you want. Then you can increase the chart title size also. So you can click on the up arrow to increase the size and down arrow to decrease the size. Okay, so I increase here the size. Okay, then you can change the font color of the chart title. Just click on this arrow and select here the font color. So I select here yellow color. And underline style, you can select here the different underline style also. Underline color also you can choose here. So I select this one and click on OK, and that's it. See, your chart title is color changed and it's showing the highlighted. Okay. So this is a way you can change the chart title also. And if you want to move these charts in another sheet, you can easily move it. Just simply click on the charts and go to the chart design in location. Just click on the move chart, and here you can see the one dialog box is open. Move chart. Choose where you want the chart to be placed. The second option, the object in, select the object in, and here the sheet number one is default selected. Just click on the drop down arrow and select the sheet number, those where you want to move these charts. Okay. So here you can see the list, all the sheets, those are available in this Excel file. Okay. So I select here sheet number 3 and click on OK, and that's it. Here you can see in sheet number 3, your chart is moved, and in sheet number 1, your data is showing. Okay. And if you want to change the chart type, you can change it. Simply click on the chart and go to the chart design in type group. Click on the change chart type, and here you can see one dialog box is open, change chart type. Simply select the chart, anyone, those you change it. So I select here the bar chart. You can see the preview also, bar charts. And after that, just click on OK. And here you see your chart type also changed. Okay. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.